Welcome back to our channel. Just want to share it with you guys about my experience on this model. That might be the same symptoms where the unit is freezing up when you knock like this. Normally, this device is working well until I knock, then it's freeze up. Tried it again, but the same things happen. It was come in my mind where the problem is. So just thinking that it was only minor loose parts or connections. So I checked the condition of the FFC cable and do some cleaning on it by using the eraser. I also cleaned up and wiped it out. Then try it, hoping that it will be fixed. Unfortunately, same thing happened. I removed this cable where it was commonly getting lost. Then I applied WD-40 on this cable, even as well as on pins. Then tried it again, but it seems nothing changed. Now I am just isolating which area are having lost connections, so I separated the main board and the panel. Only the FFC cable is attached. It seems okay until I did this, then it's freeze up again. I moved the panel to figure it out if there is a loose connection in between the socket and the FFC cable. It's unheard this to me because sometimes it's happening like what I am doing right now. I'm checking the soldering condition of all pins on the main board and it seems good, as well as on the panel board and on the LCD. I also checked the condition of this FFC cable and it seems that the holes are quite deep, so I just cut just a little part on both ends of this FFC cable. Then I tried it without success. Next move is to solder all the pins and do some cleaning. I soldered it front and back. Then tried it again until it's not turning on. Once you turn the power on, it gives you only a short flash white on the screen. On this part, I just check if there is a bridge solder and also the settings of the FFC cable. Seems all are okay. Then tried it again, but it seems nothing changed. So I suspected the connection of the DSP output board or the main board, but all are good. This time I take a deep breath, thinking what's next. This is really difficult for me. Now my head is spinning as it was turned on, but only the loading indicator is running. Then the version showed up and stuck on it. I tried it again, then finally it's booting well. This time, I removed the USB board and applied WD-40 on the pins on the connector. Then I tried it, and still the same problem. This time, I worried about the pins, so I did twisting all the pins a little bit out, but same things happen. Next, I decided to reheat the resonator, but still the same. At this time, I reheat this 2 IC. I already confirmed that there is a loose solder on this big IC. This IC has no pins, so be careful if you are planning to reheat this IC. Don't push it down. I recommended you to touch gently on the side only and make it sure that it's moving a little bit just to sit and place the solder ball under of this IC. Now this unit is working well without any issue. Hope that this video will help you sorting out the problem. All I did in this video are the possible solutions that I'm thinking of, like this case. Thank you and God bless.